pelvic girdle contains the coxal bones, which is the hip. I'm going to show you where the bones fused in utero. The ilium is the easiest one to identify. It's this here. The pubis is the next easiest one to identify, and it's this section here. And the ischium is harder for me to show, but it's basically the rest of it here. And here. And it's the odd-shaped bone. That's really hard for me to show. All right. The acetabulum is this here. It's opening here. It's the socket on the lateral surface of the pelvis. This is the pubic symphysis here. The iliac crest is where you would lay your hands on your hips, and if you go down anteriorly, it forms the anterior superior iliac spine. So I should get closer. The iliac fossa, so in the right medial area here, this is the iliac fossa. Actually, you can kind of feel the dip. The greater sciatic notch, last thing on my hand, is here. The ischial spine is here, and the ischial tuberosity is the rest spot here. Now for the femur, this is the head of the femur. The greater trochanter and the lesser trochanter are what form the area that meet the buttocks here. All right, I'm using the stand again. This thing is heavy. There. All right, that's easier, sort of. The greater trochanter is here, up here. The lesser trochanter is here. The abductor tubercle is the point here on the posterior end. I'm going to have to pick this up again. It's here. There's a point right here. And below it is the medial epicondyle, this here, and the lateral epicondyle here. And they flank the condyles superiorly, and it's the site of muscle attachment. Now for the condyles, should have just taken the bones off the skeleton. The condyles are distally where the femur broadens here. The patella is the knee, and the condyles articulate with the tibia. Let's see. Now for the tibia. The tibia is medial, and the medial and lateral condyles are here. The medial is in towards the center of the body, and the lateral is here. It forms the broad proximal end of the tibia. The tibia tuberosity is the rough anterior section here, and it's where the patella ligaments attach. and the medial malleus are here. The proximal and distal tibrofibular joints are this is the distal tibrofibular joint, and this is the proximal tibrofibular joint. And now for the fibula. The fibula I'm going to go this way actually. The fibula is here. The head of the fibula is up here. The lateral malleus